The National Day of Singapore is celebrated every year on August 9 in commemoration of Singapore's independence from Malaysia in the year of 1965. National Day Parade 2019 theme is Our Singapore, commemorates our Singapore bicentennial and allow us to tell our Singapore story from the past to present. Our emphasis, the collective ownership of Singapore. We are living the dreams of our pioneers, and we are now the pioneers of our future. This waterfall is the world's tallest indoor waterfall at Jewel Changi Airport. Singapore's Changi Airport has been voted the world's best airport for the 7th consecutive year by Skytrax. Since the last addition of Terminal 4 to Changi Airport in 2017. On Wednesday, April 17, 2019, the world's best airport just got even better with its highly anticipated new attraction, Jewel. The magnificent Jewel spanning over 1.4 million square feet located in the center links to the 3 terminals. The hub consists of gardens growing over 4-story hotel, cinema, over 280 retail and food outlets. The centerpiece of the unveiled Jewel is the world's tallest indoor waterfall. The 40-meter high indoor waterfall, also known as the Rain Vortex, its cascading water through glass and steel dome. In the center of the lush forest, the magnificent water is already attracting visitors from around the world. It is also expected to become one of the most Instagrammable locations in the world. The waterfall looks impressive during the day and is stunning at night with daily light and sound show. Catch the light and sound show at night every hour starting from 7:30 p.m. and the last show is 12:30 a.m. Surrounding the waterfall is the Shiseido Forest Valley. Its 4-story garden filled with walking trails set amid more than 235,000 square feet of landscaping. Every 3 minutes, you will see terminal transit train coming through the center of the dome. At level B2, you will find the waterfall where the water flows down from the top, creating an amazing effect and backdrop for the photography. On the same level, you will also find yourself surrounded by many food outlets where you can enjoy your meals and the amazing view at the same time. And Jewel's top floor is 14,000 square meter, is a recreational wonderland suitable for all ages. Explore the creative garden trails, have fun in the garden maze, bouncing nets, or relax at one of the delicious diners. Jewels consists of 5 levels of shopping spaces offering over 280 retail and food outlets, from world-famous retail brands to Michelin star restaurants. Jewel is a new shopper's paradise for both local and tourists. For better customer experience, the hub offers early check-in service for travelers traveling with the participating airlines.